You asked me why I'm doing all this. But even if I told you why, I doubt very strongly that the knowledge would change anything at all. But let's say that I take the time to explain it to you. What do you think would happen then? My goal is to fulfill the dream even Jiraiya Sensei was unable to achieve.
Hoping it'll help you find your own peace.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
This wasn't no movie. The smart thing was to say yes, get up, and leave the room. But then I thought to myself, what if this was a movie?
On the lake with my brother. I had to live with my brother. I counted up with my brother. What? I fuck it up with my brother. 29 on my bro. 29 on my bro. I just be bang with my brothers. I just be bang with my mama. Celery me cause you die. Fucking your bitch cause you die. Spray your click and your die. Spray your click and your die. Fucking your bitch. I keep that nothing like I'm round up. Hell nah, no problem. Hell nah, no problem. During tricks with my bottle. Type me out the shit swallow. Type me out the shit swallow. During tricks with my bottle. Type me out the shit swallow. What? On the leg of my brother. I hit the leg of my brother. I counted on my brother. On the leg of my brother. I hit the leg of my brother. I hit the leg of my brother. I hit the leg of my brother. On the leg with my brother.
Whatever was in that truck killed everyone in the area, and he'd have been the first to go.
He's not dead.
Really? And just how do you know that?
Call it a woman's intuition.
Woman's intuition. You know, brain.
There you go.
That's really unique, Faye. That a mugshot or your version of Picasso?
Hey, I'll make you a deal. If anyone can catch him with that drawing, I'll pay you the bounty myself, Faye.
Fine, I'll just go catch him myself. You two can stay here and make your funny little jokes. Ha ha. Ha.